battery operated. It's not efficient enough. But yeah, so this is the window where I'm gonna get my measurements at. Pause this. As you can see, I measured my mark about right there. I'm gonna drill in to that area right there. Alright. That's my drill. That's the bit right there. About right here. Gotta keep working it. I'm in there. I'm definitely in there. Let's go check the other side. And, yes, perfect. We are perfect. All I gotta do is fish this through. Just fish this cable through with my fisher, and we're golden. And then mount the camera on the other side, plug it up, we'll be good to go. And I'm going to go into this outlet right here, out behind my son's changing table. Close enough. 15-foot cable, shouldn't need a USB extension. Try to get a color that would match this as much as possible, but should have just got a gray cable, whatever. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's how I connected it. I'm gonna fish it through there. No, I didn't. See, she's concerned about cosmetics, of course.
You put it in the corner?
Yes, I did.
Thank God.
I'm making a video, you're disturbing it.
How many slots do you need?
2. I might have to make this hole a little bigger. Oh no, it's going in. There we go. I think I might be at the other side. Let's go check. There it goes. Fished out to the other side. Tape got a little ripped up, but still intact. Alright, let me remove that camber, put it closer to there, plug it up, we'll be good to go. Alright, the mount is all mounted. All I gotta do is tack it on there. You hear a click. For a second. Go behind there, see what I'm doing. Alright, we're good. All I gotta do is fill that hole up with some weather safe foam. Gotta clean all that residue off before it dries. There it goes. You can see it's expanding as I speak. So just gonna let that do its thing. Let that dry up. And we're good to go. Camera is installed. Pointed at where I wanted to point at. Secure on the side of the house. Alright, now we're going to open up this Blink app and check the view on the side of this house. See if we're going to be satisfied. Bingo. I'm loving it. I'm satisfied. I gotta move that trash out the way though. But other than that, yeah, we're good. This is all done.